Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. Today's video is gonna be a Target beauty box. This is the February Target beauty box. This is the box Pucker Up. Now they did have another beauty box on the website, but I didn't really like that one, so I didn't get it. And this box is $7. With Target beauty boxes, you don't have to have a subscription. You could just sign onto the website. If you like the box, you could just buy the box. And that's exactly what I did. So this one is called Pucker Up. Pucker Up is like all lip products, so I wanted to give it a try to see if I like any of these products in the box. Again, it was $7. And I'm just going to open it up and show you guys how it looks. It did come in wrapped in plastic. I already cut the plastic off before I filmed this video. And it did come in a brown box for shipping. And I just cut that part off. Again, this is just a little card. And this shows you everything that's in the inside, and I have my coupon code covered up because I don't want anybody to use it. And this is a $3 off a $15 purchase of cosmetics, skincare, and hair care. Again, I have it covered up because I don't want anybody to use it. So it comes like this. And I'm just going to grab the first thing I see, which is this St. Ives lip scrub. I never knew St. Ives had a lip scrub. I only know about their face scrubs. And this is sealed, so I can't open it to show you guys how it looks, but it is yellow. And I'll go through on the card later after I pull everything out. Next we have this lip mask. A cooling gel lip mask. Next we have this bold matte lipstick. And this is from Milani. And it's in the color I Am Confident, which is the number 1. This is the number 10, 10. Next we have this Peppermint Organic Lip Balm from Dr. Bronner's. Next we have Sexy Mother Pucker, which is like a lip gloss. And this is how it looks. I'm going to go through and give you guys all the specs after I pull everything out. Next we have this Burt's Bees, just like chapstick. Everything is sealed, so I'm not opening it up to show you guys how it looks inside the packaging. And lastly, we have this Burt's Bees Moisturizing Lip Mask. So it's 7 items in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For $7. Now this is a really good deal, and to give me a chance to try out some of these lip masks to see how they are. And I'm working on using some of the products now, so I can come back and do a review on some of the beauty boxes of some of the products that I use inside the box. So I have been using some of the other stuff, so I'm just gathering my thoughts and using some of the products. But let's just go with the products that's in here. So first, this is 12 NYC Perfect Pout Cooling Gel Lip Mask. So that's this. I've never tried a lip mask before. I don't want to pull it out because I don't want to touch it since I'm not about to use it right now. But this is how the lip mask looks. It says delivers cool, soothing relief for a moisturizing home spa experience. And it says tip, place mask in the refrigerator for 1 hour or in the freezer for maximum of 30 minutes. For minimum of 30 minutes for best results. Use the mask after applying your favorite lip scrub and moisturizing product. So I'll probably use this after I use the lip scrub that's actually in the box. So we're going to see about that. So next on the list is the Dr. Bronner Lip Balm. So that's this. So the rich blend of jojoba oil, avocado, not jojoba oil, jojoba, avocado, and hemp oils. Keeps lips soft and smooth. Tip, use balm to treat dry hands and cuticles. So you can't use this on your hands and your cuticles, that's weird. So yeah, that's really weird. So next we're going to have this Burt's Bees Moisturizing Lip Mask. So that's this. Move the products up. Never seen it before, never heard of it before, so it's a single-use lip mask. Moisturizes, hydrates instantly, and defines your lips with a blend of natural ingredients, including meadow foam seed, almond oils, and 100% natural hydrating formula. Leaves behind soothe and nourish lips. Again, this is the Burt's Bees Moisturized Lip Mask, and you only get one use out of it. So next we have the St. Ives Passion Fruit Lip Scrub. Get quite a bit in here. It's 0.5 ounces, but it looks like it's a lot in here. You can get a few uses out of that one. It's a vibrant, exfoliating lip scrub, polishes away dullness to reveal super soft, smooth lips. I'm really excited to try that. I think I tried a lip scrub before from Lush, but that was like years ago. I didn't really use it that much, but it was okay. Next is this Milani lipstick. Bold Matte. It's a hyperpigmented formula, provides a bold color in just one stroke, up to 8 hours of smudge-proof wear. Easy guide, formula infused with manoi oil to keep lips hydrated and kissable. It looks kind of pinkish or dark maroonish. Let me try to open it. So it looks like this. It kind of has a scent to it, but that's okay. But this is how the color looks. So this is the only product I'm going to open because it was easy to just open the lipstick. Everything else is sealed. So I don't want to open it until I start using it, because I don't want the shelf life to start. So next we have this Burt's Bees lip shimmer. It's sealed, so I can't take the thing off. You can see the seal there. Enriched with shea butter, beeswax, antioxidant rich fruit oils to moisturize, nourish, and softens lips naturally. Lip shimmers glides on with the perfect complement of moisture and touch of color. 100% nature, 100% natural, nourishing lip tint. Sorry, I can't even read the question. Has textural looks great alone or a layer of your favorite lipstick. So you can wear it by itself, or you can wear it on top of your lipstick. If I do wear it, it'll be by itself. So this is that. And last but not least, the Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker. It's a really cute color. It's like a pinkish nude. It's a plumping lip gloss. Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker Pumping Lip Gloss. This plumping lip gloss glides on so lips can feel soft and look ravishing, featuring our trademark lip plumping technology to add extreme volume and moisture, making the lips feel instantly fuller. Definitely something to show up your pout. So I already have full lips, but it'll be interesting to see if this actually works. Again, this is 7 lip items for only $7. We have the St. Ives lip scrub, a lip mask from 12 NYC. I never heard of the brand before. A Burt's Bees lip mask, Soap and Glory Mother Pucker lip plumper, a Burt's Bees lip shimmer, a Milani matte lipstick, a Dr. Bronner's peppermint lip balm. So yeah, so I'm excited to try all of these products. I will be coming back and giving my review on them after I'm done trying everything. Again, this is the Pucker Up box from Target Beauty. They still have some available. They didn't release the box till like last week, and I finally got it. On this side, it gives you all of the items that's in here, and I have my coupon code bent, so that's why it's bent like this. So yeah, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just leave them down below. Again, this is Target Pucker Up Beauty Box. It's all lip products and lip items in here. It's $7 on Target.com. You don't have to have a subscription. You can just sign on if you like any of the boxes that they have. They still have some of the old boxes too, but keep in mind those coupons are expired because they expire like when the month is over. So this is going to be expired in March. Have any questions, comments, concerns, leave it down below. Want to follow me on social media? You can follow me on those. They're down below. I have two ebooks on Amazon Kindle. Football Wags 1 and 2 for 99 cents. Can unlimited, you to read both parts for free. I have an advice column, DanniGivesAdvice at gmail.com. You can run into those. Now be sure to answer your question on camera in a dedicated video. Anything else, just leave it down below. Thank you. Bye.